Good morning, Rafael and Sunshine. So our training will be about first rank checks using Firefox Checker tool, and then the field distribution report training. So those two are connected because we use the latest ranking data for the standard month-end keyword distribution report. This is how a keyword distribution report looks like. So we have the keywords here and also the rank data here at the last columns. But aside from the latest rank data, we also have the point allocation per month and then some other metrics like page rank, Alexa, domain age, and backlinks. And we also have a summary page to um, to show the latest data in comparison to the previous one. But we'll get into that later. So first, for the rank checking, we need to install some tools first. Rank checker tool, first you need to sign up here in SEO book. You just need to sign up for your free SEO book account before you can download the SEO rank checker tool in Firefox. It's an extension in Firefox, so you will only be able to use it dun sa Firefox niya. I can't guide you through the step-by-step process because I already have one installed. But it's easy naman. Sign up lang and then download. And then after you download the um, Firefox Rank Checker tool, it will be here in your Firefox menu above. So we'll set the settings first. So click on under tools, you click on rank checker and then options. So we will set here the rank checker preferences. For the search engines, this will depend on the target location of the client. So since most of our clients are based in Australia, we just have to check this one, google.com.au. But in case the client wants to target other locations such as Singapore or US, you just have to set the appropriate setting here. So for example, it's in Singapore like the one we have for Mark Satin and Graythorn before. You just have to check this one, google.com.sg, and uncheck the google.com.au because Singapore is the target location. And then you should also check this one. Don't use Google personalized search results if any. You need to check that one so that Google won't show results that are personalized according to the initial preferences when searching in Google. And then you can leave this one blank, Yahoo and Bing. Those are not needed naman. And then for the setting, other, delay between queries, I recommend around 12 to 15. Um, Before, I usually set it to 6 lang. But sometimes, nagahang yung rank checker. So, I set the delay around 12 to 15. So, you can change that naman depending on how the rank checker performs when you use it. So, click OK. And then, so after that rank checker setup, you also need to install Anonymous. So I have the links here for the list of tools and extensions to install. I'll just share the links to you later. So Anonymous is also a Mozilla add-on. So this is the Anonymous. So we need that to change our IP address. Kasi for rank checking, we we change IP addresses para hindi tayo ma-block ng Google. So you just have to select what IP address you want to use. So there are several here, like for UK, US, yan, may iba't iba. Usually kasi, nag-hang rank checker or nabablock ng Google kapag marami tayo masyadong nire-rank checks. So, I recommend you change IP address every time you do a batch of rank checking para to avoid being blocked by people. And then, another tool, this is for Google Chrome, SEO site tools and SEO Quake. I'll share the links later. So, SEO site tools, this one, this is the magnifying glass tool installed in my browser, in my Chrome browser. So, you will use it to check the page rank, and there's also the Alexa data and other data like the meta description, meta keywords, and others. But I usually use that for the page rank. Whenever I open a page, the page rank will automatically show here. So just install that in Google Chrome so that every time you open a page, you can have the page rank ready na. And then we also have SEO Quick. So this one naman, it's also a a Google Chrome extension. I use this mostly for the numbering in the search results. But it also has other data like the Google PageRank, domain, Alexa rank, and others. So this is an example. For example, we'll search for shed homes. Ayan. So you see, if you have the SEO Quick installed, yung search results nyo, merong numbering. So that will be useful when you decide to do manual rank checks. Ayan. Para you don't need to count pa yung mga search results kung pang ilan yung keyword ranking na hinahanap mo for a particular client. So, ayan. We can also use SEO Click for other metrics we are including in the keyword distribution report. But I'll get into that later. So, after that one, here, I'll discuss this later na lang. Yung Wolfram Alpha, Majestic SEO, and Majestic SEO login. This will be needed sa keyword distribution report mostly. I guess that's it for the first part of the training. So we'll get into a practice rank checking later for the next week.